So, as to begin with it, we are starting from junior high school 1. These are the topics we are going to treat: numbers, solving equation and inequalities, statistics and probability, decimal, plane geometry, quadratic function, rigid motion, ratio, fraction, collecting and handling data, number plane, powers of natural numbers, shapes and space. Rates, percentages,